Hey there guys, welcome back, it's Arrow Dragon, and today I got a display worth of Ghosts from the Past, the second haunting, and I'll be cracking all 20 packs for you guys today. So let's jump right into it. I've already opened this with my friends, and the pulls were amazing. I can show you guys right now a few Ghost Rays that I've already pulled. So from my friend's box that I purchased and got it for him, pulled him a Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. So very cool. There are, of course, are some imperfections on some of the cards I'm about to show you guys. Here is my Cyber Dragon Ghost Ray. This one has a name imprint on the back, so like they probably stamped it a little bit too hard and it's bleeding through or it's popping up. But otherwise, the foiling on this one is perfect. So there's not really a like a misprint in the image itself. But it is a little bit off-centered, so probably not going to make it to PSA. And the last one that looks pretty promising, but on the pack they're scuffing. I'm not going to take them out of the case right now, but I did pull a Red Dragon Archfiend, so very cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and see if I can pull any more Ghost Rays. I already pulled 3 in a day, so why not pull maybe 4 or 5 more in total? Because from one of my boxes, or display box, I guess you can say, I pulled 2 Ghost Rays, and that is pretty crazy in itself. So yeah, let's hope the ratios are as they said. I think 3 per case. This was out from a fresh case. Or the display box, I should say, was out from a fresh case. So yeah, let's see if I get something good. Okay, starting off with a Cyber Dragon pack. Okay. Oh, we got Ryza the Mega Monarch. Hey, I didn't pull that from my other boxes. It's nice. Just about over a month ago, that card in Secret Rare was possibly like $50–$60. Pretty crazy. Oh, and Crystron Helka Fibrax. Nice. Alright, this box is off to a great start. Alright, so maybe I should do this because typically if you see the middle card and if you look on the back, a lot of the Ghost Rays, like focus, will have scuffing or like some marks on the back. This one in particular doesn't, so I don't think it's a Ghost Ray. But if there's some visible like markings or damage, then yeah, it's a Ghost Ray. But you know, maybe I'll do that for the rest of the video. So like if I slide 2, so kind of like a pack trick. Check the back, we're good. So it kind of gives it away like, oh yeah, it's not gonna be you know, Ghost Ray, but that's alright. So that was the first mini box, 4 packs. Go ahead into the second box. Alright. Cool, let's see here, we got Hela, Generator, Boss of Doom, got a Rare Fish, Bluebeard, the Sanctuary in the Sky, and Dark Magician, the Dragon Knight. Cool. It's a neat reprint. It was a much needed reprint. In most cases, it wasn't really played as much, like, or in general. But yeah, Top Warrior and Chronicle Magician. Nice. It's another cool card for Blue Eyes and Dark Magician. Oops, let me grab this. My stuff on the side are falling apart. And I have a ton of cards that I just obviously just recently opened, so as you can say, I have a lot of bulk just lying around. Dot Scaper, nice reprint. Ooh, Necro Slime. Okay. And we got another Reptia egg. Alright, so this box wasn't the greatest. It's alright. More slime. And a mystical sand again. So it looks like we got some more random cards. And if you guys haven't noticed by now, the middle card is usually the card that would be the good hit, or like reprinted, something like that along those lines. Let's see here. Time Thief, Temporal, pretty cool. Got a Wandering King, nice. Fossil Machine, Malefic Cyber End Dragon. I think it's the first reprint of that card. Wandering King, Wildwind, not bad. And a Luber, the Jester of Despia, nice. Cool, cool, cool. So that's 20 bucks. And seeing this card being sold at pre-sales for $40, and seeing the price drop within hours, that's pretty insane. So yeah, that was pretty crazy just to watch a Luber fall in a single day. Alright, see here, we got Sky Cavalry, Centauria. Cool. Alright, Rose Spectre of Dun, Vampire Sucker, Flax of Friends, Vampire Sorcerer, and knocked it open already. Elemental Hero, Neos Kluger. Well, going ahead of myself there. Cool. Moving on. Got one Aluber. So we got Aluber and Helka Fibrax out of the same box. Doesn't seem like they're too hard to pull. And of course, I'm checking the back of each of the middle cards just to see if we got any scuffings. And I mean, I wish it wasn't the point there, but getting these cards graded in 10 or Ghost Rares graded in 10 will be kind of challenging. And I see scuffing on this card, so you guys can kind of see that right about here. So maybe that is a Ghost Rare, who knows. But when I see scuffing like that, it's most likely one. Spell card? Oh yes, the Eye of Timaeus. Yep, there we go. I was right. Alright, so it is a Ghost Rare. It is one that I do not currently own. Wish it could have been Dark Magician Girl, but the Eye of Timaeus currently is sitting around $40. So not the most expensive Ghost Rare. It's more of a collectible. So, I mean, it is still relatively cool. The first spell card ever to have a Ghost Rare. The Gold Ghost MST does not count. That is technically gold. But yeah, okay, I was right on that one though. So I did get a Ghost Rare because I currently know that majority of the Ghost Rares will come damaged. Not like severely damaged, but like scuffings and marks and scratches, and whoever runs the printers. Alright, that's cool. We got a Ghost Rare. Cool. And oh, what is going on here? Is this one? Okay, this one might, I don't know if that hits just right in the light, but damaged perhaps? Maybe a curve? I don't know. Majesty Hyperion. Okay, yeah, there was no obvious scuffings in the back, but okay, so I'm down to the last mini box here. Hopefully you guys are still here with me. I know I just ramble on a lot, but yeah, here we go. 4 more packs to go. Yeah, well, do you have any scuffings on the back? Hold on, just want to close up look at that. Maybe? I can't really tell. Maybe not. I doubt we get another Ghost Rare in here. Nope, but Vision Hero Ferris. Nice. Oh, there's some weird marks on the back of that one, so I thought that it could have been a ghost rare. Yeah, this one looks clean in the back. Boss machine, cool. Down to the last 2 packs here. Can I pull it off? 2 ghost rare in a single box, just like how I did with the other one. Don't know. Ooh, Protector of the Ancient's Moon. Haven't pulled this one yet. That's pretty nice. Alright, Dark Magician Girl. Get another ghost rare. And let's see here off camera. No, this one looks good, so I don't think it's a ghost rare. Hate to say it, but let's see here. And the last card of this opening is Chronicle Magician. Cool. Alrighty, so just a little recap of some cards that I threw on the side that I thought that were, pretty good. Stuff that you should hold on to. I probably missed a lot more. The Chronicle Magician, pretty good extender if you have Dark Magician or Blue Eyes. So it's always nice. Dugaris was a nice reprint. Neos Kluger. Wandering King Wildwind. Some shenanigans with this card. Time Thief Temporal. I think this card might be useful in the Time Thief deck. It's funny because Ghost in the Past 1 had some support for that too. Dark Magician the Dragon Knight, nice reprint. Of course, out the 5 racks here. Rise of the Mega Monarch. You got Aluber, the Jester of Despia. And of course, the Eye of Timaeus. I can't believe I actually called it. But yeah, I did see some minor scuffings on the back, so this card is not perfect. But just looking at the foil, there's no foil bleed, no foil shift, no marks or scratches visible on there, so that is pretty nice. But yeah, this was fresh out of a case at my locals, so maybe there might be more. I might go back and hopefully pull some more. But guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is Zero Dragon, and I'm signing out.